Hello, I hope you're all well, and today I'm going to make for you a little shoe rack for Barbie shoes, or other little things like sunglasses, little shelf. It's really quite simple. I used jumbo lollipops, the ones that are 15 centimetres by nearly 2 centimetres thick, and then I have the little diagram here of exactly the plan of what you need. I'll put that there for the moment, and then I have all my lollipop sticks all cut ready. You want to try and get the 3 centimetres as perfect as possible, because that's the in between, and as you can see I've done a little bit wonky there. So, and then afterwards I'm going to put a piece of black behind it, piece of black card. Right. So let's crack on. I've basically put line segments on all my wood so I know what I'm doing. Right. And I try and line them up as perfect as possible. Oh, I need a little bit more glue on that one. A little bit on each. I don't really worry about the glue because I paint mine afterwards, so that semi covers it. And then as you can see I put my lines on ready so I know where I'm going. That's it, just line them up. I think that's almost lined up. I work with glue gun because it's quicker. The glue's instant, but you can use any glue. It's just the waiting time of how long it takes to dry. And then we put the last three. Try and get them as straight as you can. Now I've actually got this unit. I bought this unit from IKEA, and it was a similar way of setting it up. So apart from you screwed everything down. Right, so put the last top on. Make sure I've got it level. That's it. Whoops, got a little bit stuck. So there's my master, and then I'm going to put two ends at each end. Oops, I hate the webs from the glue. See it, just get it straightened up level. Might have to hold it for a minute just to get it stuck in place. That's it. Just hold it for a second. You have to go careful because the glue gun could be quite hot. Right, I think I'm done. See, that's the only thing with glue gun, you always get little webs of glue. I'll remove that a bit later. And there's your basic. Oh, I think I've gone a little bit too high up there. But there's your basic. If you take your time a little bit better, you could probably get it to about there. But once you sprayed it, you could always double up, and then you'll need a little piece of cardboard or something to hold them, or you could do them to the wall. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching my easy craft. Thanks a lot. Bye.